I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today's video is sponsored by the Art Institute. And that brings me a question to you. Do you ever want you to have a creative career in your life? Or have you ever feel like that you need to explore this in you, that you have the creative mind that you need to explore? I totally get it because I knew I was an artist since I was a little kid. And then until now, I had to explore my creative mind by painting, drawing, dancing. Right now, I'm doing in the kitchen, cooking, creating recipes, and creating online content to share with the world. I cannot be happier than I am now. But when I was growing up though, the job with the art or art jobs was very considered as an unpredictable job or very unstable. And even my mom was thinking like that, and she wasn't very happy with my career choice. Well, right now she's very happy, but back then, not really. So that I can tell you, art is the future. The creative job is future. So the Art Institute features programs like media arts, interior design, game, VR, technology, audio, film production, fashion, and culinary. They are there to take your vision farther than you ever dreamed possible. And don't worry if you're living in a small city where you don't want to, or you cannot move for the school at this moment, because they have various locations across the US, as well as very strong online programs. So check out the Art Institute online programs at artinstitute.edu/online programs, and check out the Art Institute culinary program if you want to be like me at artinstitute.edu/culinary. I will put all the links down below so you can check it out. Now let's get into our onions. I'm gonna teach you how to cut the onion like a professional. You know, I have a really mad knife skill, so you're in a very good hand. So the first thing we're gonna learn is how to slice the onion. How I like to start with the onion is actually cutting the top part off first and the root part as close as possible. I understand the Gordon Ramsay says like leave the root part because it's gonna start bleeding. The onion will start bleeding their juice and you're gonna cry. Dude, if the onion is old and spicy, you're gonna cry no matter what, okay? All right, so now I'm gonna cut it in half in a lengthwise from the root to the top, not like this. So when you open the onion, it looks like this. And this is where you want to start slicing the onion. And this way, it's really easy to peel the onion. So even though I cut the root part of onion, I cut it very closely, so the root part onion will still hold all onion together so they don't like separating all around. But when you're slicing it though, you definitely want to remove this, which is you just simply put knife just like so to remove this part. Easy, right? You can slice it either way, follow or against the grain of onion. When you're slicing the onion or any other cutting knife skill, the first thing you need to remember is always have this, like a hand like this, not like this. Like they call like so many names of a hand like this, like a tiger, crow, or whatever. But I just say like a folded or flatted. You do not want to flat like this, then you're gonna slice up your fingers, not slice up your onion. So always remember, hide your fingertips like this, okay? Make sure your knife is very sharp as well. So just slice away as thin or thick you like. You can go a little more thicker like this, or thin like this. About 3/4 way or 2/3 way of slicing onion, you will notice the onion starts like a little moving. It's really hard to slice stable. Then this is time to flip the onion and then keep slicing. Also, I'm gonna show you the other way slicing the onion, which is going against the grain of the onion. 3/4 to halfway done, turn around the onion and keep slicing. Okay, now let's move on to next chopping skill, which is dice the onion. Same thing as slicing onion. I'm just gonna show you how to do just medium dice. For the medium dice, I'm actually going to cut through the root because I don't really need a lot of help from the root to hold the onions. And then go through the other side. And now just dice up the onion. Just like that. How easy. Ta-ta! And let's try to chop up the onion. I think this is the most people having hard time. Like, oh, how do you chop the onion that fine? It's very easy. All you need to have is very sharp knife first. And this time, I'm not gonna remove the root part because when you're dicing or chopping the onion, you actually need the roots hold everything together. You just have to go through very, very finely with the grain, but not all the way through the roots. Okay, now I'm gonna hold all the onion together and cut through horizontally about 3 to 4 times depending on how big your onions. Just be really careful. The onion will start falling off a little bit, but that's totally fine. And now just chop away. You just have to hold the onion all together tightly so you can chop everything together. And by this time, you will end up this little ugly piece of onion. Don't throw away. Let it lay down flat. And then just chop it away. Beautifully chopped onion, done. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to slice onion ring. So it's the same thing as cutting the root part and the top part of the onion. And you need to peel the onion. This part you need to be really careful because onion is round and moving around like this really easy. Hold the onion very tightly and take your time to slice ring when you do a ring slice of the onion. So just go ahead and slice like this. Thin or thick, however you like. So this kind of onions will be really good if you actually slice it thicker for the grill, or about this medium slice is perfect for onion rings and stuff like that. Alright guys, look at this beautifully cut onions. You can do this at home too, and of course you have to practice. Not gonna happen in one day, like this beautifully sliced onion, chopped onion, but you definitely can make it happen by practicing at home with very sharp knife. Guys, make sure you check out the Art Institute link that below if you are interested in the art career with your life. And thank you so much for watching my video today. If you liked and if you learned something new today, how to cut the onion, then give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today. And remember, you can always cut the onion at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast, and this is Asian at Home, Knife Skill Basic. And I will see you next time. Bye!